A small town in northern Italy with 11,000 residents, MONRO is on lockdown like the rest of the country. Its mayor under self-quarantine after testing positive for coronavirus.
Appunto 3 giorni di temperature alte.
After 3 days of high temperatures and simply taking some fever remedies, I no longer have symptoms. Today I'm well, and I have been well for 6 days so far, and I'm working for my town as its mayor.
The mayor says he'll stay in isolation for 14 days. His wife and son isolated elsewhere in the house.
I traveled to Milan for Fashion Week, and when I arrived in Barcelona, I started noticing symptoms.
Neil Monroe also tested positive for coronavirus and was placed in quarantine in Barcelona. He passes the time by responding to questions on social media to reassure the public.
I'm a young person, and I'm healthy, so the symptoms I'm having are like a normal cold, like a flu. I had a little bit of fever, headache, general discomfort, but anyone would have thought it was just a cold.
Coronavirus affects people in different ways, and most who test positive won't require medical attention. Denmark's first patient was shocked by his diagnosis. His wife showed symptoms, he did not. He tested positive, she did not. After 6 days in self-quarantine, he says the symptoms were gone, and he didn't need any medicine.
I don't want to be the one that makes other people sick. So that was my greatest concern, and I think that is the greatest concern for everybody, is that we don't want this thing to spread more than possible. So I prefer to stay home a week or two more, or even longer, if I could prevent anybody from getting this disease.
Older people and those with chronic medical conditions can die from it. That is clear. Isolation is intended to protect them from germs younger, healthier people so easily spread. For them, the biggest gripe is probably boredom. The video sharing site TikTok has become a favorite for those in isolation, including an American teacher in Wuhan. Megan Monroe has provided daily updates from the Chinese city at the center of the outbreak, including the day she found her apartment building padlocked. Others are coming up with creative ways of passing time, letting family and friends know they're okay, that they're following the advice of doctors while refusing to be panicked by the new disease. Andrew Chappelle, Al Jazeera.